Hey, wait, just a few seconds. Don't go. Do you want to speak English every day easily?
Hi, welcome. We are very happy you are here. This is your safe place to learn English.
No stress,
No fear,
no big grammar.
just simple English for your real life.
Maybe you feel shy.
Maybe you think, my English is not good.
That's okay.
That is normal.
Every English speaker starts like you.
Small words, small steps.
Big progress. My name is Ethan.
And I am Emma.
We are your English friends.
We speak slowly so you can understand.
Say with us, I can learn English.
Again, I can learn English.
Very good.
You open your eyes.
You open your eyes.
It is morning.
New day, new chance.
You sit up.
You stretch your arms.
You smile a little. Say, good morning.
Repeat 3 times. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
How do you feel?
Happy? Say, I feel happy.
Tired? Say, I feel tired.
Sleepy? Say, I am sleepy.
Now think.
How do you feel today?
You go to the kitchen.
You see food.
You feel hungry.
Say, I am hungry.
Again, I am hungry.
You ask, can I have breakfast?
Repeat slowly. Can I have breakfast?
Very good.
You eat eggs.
Say, I like eggs.
You drink tea.
Say, I like tea.
Food is good.
Say, this is tasty.
Repeat, I am hungry. Can I have breakfast? I like this. This is tasty.
I say, good morning.
I say, good morning. How are you?
I say, I feel good.
I say, that's great.
But wait, you look at the clock.
Oh no, you are late.
What do you say?
Now you go to your room.
You stand in front of the mirror.
You look at your face.
You smile.
Say, I look nice.
Or you feel tired. Say, I look tired.
You open your clothes.
You think.
Say, what should I wear?
You choose a shirt.
Say, this is good.
Now shoes.
Say, where are my shoes? Now remember.
You are late.
Say, I am late.
Again, fast. I am late.
You run.
Say, wait for me.
You go outside.
You walk fast.
You see your friend.
Smile.
Say, hello, how are you?
Friend, I am fine.
You, that's great.
Or say, nice to see you.
But wait, what if your friend is sad?
What do you say? You arrive.
Say, I am here.
Teacher, are you ready?
You, yes, I am ready.
You don't understand.
Say, I don't understand.
Very important.
Teacher, do you understand?
You, no, I don't understand.
Teacher, I will help you.
You, thank you. I am here. I am ready. I don't understand. Thank you. Please help me.
Happy? Say, I am happy.
Sad? Say, I feel sad.
Tired? Say, I feel tired.
Angry? Say, I feel angry.
Your friend is sad.
You say, are you okay?
Friend, I am not okay.
You, I am here for you.
Friend, I feel sad.
You, it's okay.
Friend, I am tired.
You, take rest.
Friend, I am stressed.
You, relax.
Are you okay? I am here for you. It's okay. Take rest. Relax.
You go home.
You open the door.
You say, I am home.
You sit.
You relax.
You feel hungry again.
Say, what is for dinner?
Food comes.
Say, it is very tasty.
Night comes.
The room is quiet.
Say, I feel relaxed.
You are sleepy.
Say, I am sleepy.
I can learn. I can speak. I am improving. I am trying.
Listen carefully.
You don't need perfect English.
You need practice.
Small steps.
Every day.
One word.
2 words.
You will speak English.
I am learning English every day. Again, I am learning English every day. So, you finished your day.
But wait, the day is not over.
Now you go outside again.
You go to a small shop.
You see many things.
You want something.
What do you say?
Say, I want this.
Repeat. I want this.
I want this. Very good.
Shopkeeper. Hello.
You, hello.
You ask, how much is this?
Repeat slowly. How much is this?
Very important sentence.
Shopkeeper. It is $5.
You say, okay.
Or maybe,
You say, it is expensive.
repeat. It is expensive. It is cheap.
Practice block. I want this. How much is this? It is expensive. It is cheap.
Mini story.
You buy something.
You smile.
You say, thank you.
Shopkeeper says, you're welcome. Now, imagine.
Your phone rings.
You say, hello?
Repeat. Hello?
Friend says, hi, how are you?
You say, I am fine.
Friend, what are you doing? You, I am at home.
Or, I am busy.
Repeat, I am at home. I am busy.
You cannot talk.
Say, I will call you later.
Repeat slowly. I will call you later.
Hello? I am fine. I am busy. I will call you later.
Now listen.
Imagine the call.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. I am busy.
Okay.
I will call you later.
Sometimes you need help.
That is okay.
Say, can you help me?
Repeat. Can you help me?
Again, can you help me? Say, please help me.
And thank you for your help.
Listen, speaking English is not scary.
You can try.
You can speak.
Repeat. Can you help me? Please help me. Thank you.
You are lost.
You don't know the way.
You ask, can you help me?
Person says yes.
You smile.
Now, friends.
Talking to friends is fun.
Say, nice to see you.
Repeat, nice to see you. Friend, how are you?
You, I am good.
Friend, what are you doing?
You, I am relaxing.
Say, let's go.
Or, let's eat.
Repeat, let's go. Let's eat. Friendship is important.
Simple English helps you connect.
Sometimes you make mistakes.
That is okay.
Say, I am learning.
Repeat. I am learning.
You don't need perfect English.
You need practice.
Say, I will try.
Again, I will try.
I am learning. I will try. It's okay.
Every mistake is learning.
Every try is progress.
You started this podcast.
Maybe you felt unsure.
Now, look.
You learned so many sentences.
Repeat slowly. I can learn. I can speak. I am improving. I am confident.
Say with feeling, I am learning English every day.
Again, I am learning English every day.
Listen one last time,
You are doing great.
step by step.
Day by day.
You will speak English.
Thank you for staying with us.
We are proud of you.
Come again.
We will learn more together.
Goodbye and keep learning.